Urea treatment can be done in different ways depending on the local conditions and preference. Let's get into the procedure of urea treatment. There are few methods in urea treatment, among which we opted the chopped wheat straw. So let's see. Take 100 kg of chopped wheat straw and put them on a cemented floor. The number of baskets required to form 100 kg of straw can be counted to make 100 kg. Then take a fertilizer grade urea at 4 kg. An amount of 4 kg of urea is equivalent to 2.2% of ammonia. An amount of 4 kg of urea to treat 100 kg of air dry straw has been found to be optimum level. Urea levels lower than 3.5 kg may not produce a sufficient amount of ammonia for effective treatment, and the levels above 4 kg may not have further increased the straw quality. Then dissolve the urea in 20 to 30 liters of water. Mix it till it completely dissolves. Spray the urea solution with an sprayer on straw lot. For spraying of the urea solution over a layer of 100 kg straws or whatever quantity that you have chosen, a gardener sprinkler can be used to achieve the uniformity in the urea solution coming in contact with the straw. Use of a broom and a bucket has also been found to be effective to spread the water. Mix the straw thoroughly with hand fork. For the chopped wheat straw, some hand mixing after the spray of urea solution is desirable. Stock under the plastic sheets or gunny bags covered to have an anaerobic condition and allow it to react with about 3 weeks. Compact stock has two advantages. Firstly, the effectiveness of the ammonization process is better, and secondly, there are less chances of mold growth, which leads to the spoilage of the straw. Then wheat straw compacts very well during stock making. The temperature of the heap affects the rate of hydrolysis of urea to ammonia. The duration of treatment can be variable depending on the region and season where the treatment is done. When straw is treated under the conditions with an ambient temperature around 20 degrees, then it will increase to 50 to 60 degrees Celsius in 1 to 2 days. In that case, the outside temperature is irrelevant to what happens in the stock. Bigger stocks or heaps can control the temperature better than the smaller heaps. Ammonization periods of 7 days or less are shown to be the sufficient under tropical conditions in India. Take the stock out from the stock and give 2 to 3 turnings on the evenly, that ammonia can be excess ammonia can be evaporated in the atmosphere. The color of the straw is changed from yellowish to dark brown during the reaction time. Treated straw is ready to use for the animal feed for the life.